Stop. Don't eat a sandwich. I know you don't feel like putting in much effort and you don't have time, but today I'm giving you a recipe you can make with whatever you have at home, and it turns out amazing. We start by preparing some eggs. So we put 3 eggs in already hot water and let them cook for a few minutes. If you spin them like this, the yolk will stay in the middle. Then about 10 minutes until they're cooked. In the meantime, grab an onion. Will white work for you, or do you prefer red? And you chop it into small cubes. Pan a little drizzle of oil and the onion goes in. What we're going to do is lightly brown it, so stir it from time to time until it turns golden. Always on medium or medium-high heat at most. And once it's golden, we keep preparing things. What I do is grab a good can of cooked chickpeas, the nice big ones, and wash them well so that only the chickpea flavor remains. Once they're washed, we're going to use them in the pan. So pay attention, because as soon as the onion is golden, chickpeas go in. We're going to cook them so they warm up for a couple of minutes, and we're also going to add the magical and salty ingredient, tuna. Although you can use any tasty fish you like. And there's no secret to it other than mixing everything together so it heats up. A few stirs and the dish is ready to take to the serving platter where we want to present this marvel. Sometimes delicious meals are actually very simple. We cut the eggs, peel them, cut them into quarters, and that way the dish will even look appealing. After all, we eat with our eyes too. All right, I'm going to cut them over here. Perfect. If you want to dress it up with lots of flavor, here's what I suggest. A good splash of lemon juice or lime juice for that citrus touch, another splash of a really good oil, and parsley. This combination always tastes fresh and works perfectly with warm salads. We spread it out a bit so it mixes well. Then we take it to the tray where we're going to present this marvel. And on top, we add the ingredient you probably remember we're missing, which is the eggs. So, chickpeas go on the tray and eggs are spread throughout the mixture. That's how easy it is to prepare today's meal. Look at the amazing dish we prepared. Perfect for sharing and for eating at any time. Simple, fun, delicious, nice and warm. Perfect for grabbing a spoon and enjoying yourself. Look, one like this, for example. So tasty. And sometimes eating well and eating healthy isn't about hard work or taking a lot of time. I hope you'll help me out a bit too, and let me know in the comments which quick recipe you like the most. Also, tell me where you're watching from so we can explore the whole world through delicious food.